completed this poem, Risk. But now I am going to repeat, I am going to recapitulate the complete poem so you can recall. Understood? First, I have taught you what is the theme of this poem. The theme of this poem is the risk is an integral part of our life. We cannot separate it. We cannot avoid it. Understood? There is a risk in every part of our life. There is a risk in every activity of human being. If we laugh, there is a risk of being called foolish. If we weep, there is a risk of looking emotional, sentimental. If we help others, there is a risk of involvement, interference. If we placed our thoughts and ideas, there is a risk of being called immature, inexperienced. Understood? Risk is in an integral part of our life. There is a risk in every activity of human being. If we try, there is a risk of failure. If we hope, there is risk of despair. अगर हम आशा करते हैं तो निराश होने का रिस्क है. ट्राई करते हैं तो फेल होने का रिस्क है. In living also there is a risk of death. जीने में मरने का रिस्क है. It is risky to love others because it is not sure, it is not certain that we will get love in return. Poet says that people, they don't want to take risk. They become bound. They become bound. Feeling of complete certainty. वो निश्चिंत हो जाते हैं. They become bound by the feelings of complete certainty. कि everything is fine. They don't want to try anything new. वो बिल्कुल निश्चिंत रहते हैं, जैसा है जो है अच्छा है. कुछ नया नहीं करना है, कुछ कोशिश भी नहीं करना है करने का नया. And they become slaves to their own thoughts. And they lost, forfeited means lost. And they lost their freedom of thoughts and actions. और वो थॉट्स और फ्रीडम कुछ करने का, कुछ नया सोचना, ये सब खो देते हैं, नहीं करना चाहते हैं. They don't want to do anything new. A life without risk is the greatest hazard in itself. Understood? So, it is necessary to take risk. By this poem, poet inspires us, motivates us to take risk, to face challenges. There is a lot of challenges in every step of our life. We have to face these challenges. We should not avoid risk. We should not avoid these challenges. So life itself is full of risk. The life itself is full of risk. पूरा रिस्क से भरा है हमारा लाइफ, लेकिन फिर भी हमें रिस्क लेना है. Because without taking risk, we cannot learn anything. We cannot achieve anything. If you want to become successful, it is necessary to take risk. If you want to progress in our life, it is necessary to take risk. So, this is the poem of risk. ये आपका poem था. I have taught you each and everything properly. So I hope still you don't have any doubt. I will send you written material also. So you can read all the written material 2-3 times. And I had sent you video. You must watch those videos and develop your spoken English. Okay, see you again in next video, all of you. Bye.